What's up, Chris here with a new video. This is kind of my latest project. Just want to give you a quick look at. I'm building another Glock 19 with the Ace1 Arms Agency Arms Glock 19 kit, and I decided to go with one without the porting holes here. Since my SAI slide has that, I want to do a different look. Get the stainless outer barrel, thread protector, and yeah, that's pretty much. I haven't really gotten very far on this, but the thing that I've worked on most, the thing that's going to require the most work, is the frame. So you can see here I've squared off the trigger guard, front, 45-degree cut, flush, undercut, and I've also, let's see if we can catch some light on here. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's, there we go. You can kind of see that I've profiled it a little bit with bevels all around. Kind of difficult to get on camera. I tried to polish this up as best as I can. And these accelerator cuts, as they call them, are really painful to make. Basically 45-degree cut, and then you have to remove material from the top part, sand this down at a bit of a like slanted angle, so it's angled 45 degrees like that, and then a little bit like this as well as profiling the cutouts for the slide lock and so on. So this is a work in progress. You can see here the left hand side turned out decently. Unfortunately, on the right hand side, not so much. Hello, can we get focus on here? Yeah. I had to go in and do some repairs with molten. The part that I cut off from the trigger guard, I melted down onto here to sort of save it. So I'm gonna have to do some extra work on that. I've also gone too far down with the front of this slant. But anyway, it's my first agency frame attempt. It's not all that easy. But here's a preview of what it might look like. Okay, that's it for this video. I just want to show you that that's a work in progress, and I'll get back to you once I'm done.